Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have Happy Mail. It is from Ayla Avar, and it is what she calls cure for the winter blues. And we'll open that up in just a minute, but I want to show you some other cures for winter blues. And that is Pretty Little Dolls, and especially this one called Promise of Spring. It will come. Darren printed me these frogs. They are the coolest little frogs. We're still working on them. Believe it or not, these are printed in one go. These are not strung or clipped together. They are printed like this. He bought this model. It's so cute. The front, it holds, we're just getting started on these. They hold magnets, and he's going to do that a couple ways. And then I want to suede the feet because on the counter, they don't hold like they do up here. You can see he's all sitting up. But this guy down here, watch this, he just slides. But aren't they the cutest thing? And talk about promise of spring. I can't wait. But these front legs have a locking area in them, and the frog can sit up or not. Love that. Spring is coming fast. I cannot believe it is the end of January. Let's move this over. Isn't he so cute? This is a glow-in-the-dark filament, but we have found that this glow-in-the-dark is not as good as the white glow-in-the-dark that we've had in the past. Sit up, sweet thing. All right, let's open this up and see what Ayla sent. You can tell it's not as cold here. I am not all cinched down. It warmed up to about 40. We went out back and took Arrow for a walk yesterday. Arrow is our horse. We only have the one now. And we just took him for a walk, gave him some treats, walked around the pasture, went down, checked our creek, which is thawing. It had frozen solid. Yesterday I opened my package from Dollies. This was a 3-way switch. And this one, again I say, is from Ayla. Oh, there's a note. All right, and I have my glasses. Let's see what it says. There's good stuff in here. I can see already. Hi, Marna. Here is my contribution to the cure for the winter blahs. The item in the red bag is what I am most proud of in this package. I did not make the skirt nor paint the bird. Ooh, there's a bird. But it is a rub-on. It is a rub-on. The reason I bought the rub-ons. I do not know if it is waterproof, so let your dolls get it dirty. I hope you all are well, and I know how much I love you both. We love you and Ron, Dory, and Andrew too. Thank you for welcoming Ron and I into your life and world. We feel the same way. Ayla and Ron, sorry for my horrible penmanship. Oh, have you not seen mine? The cookies for the dolls. Sorry, Darren. The newspapers are for my froggy stuff.
Never mind.
Printable just in case you're curious. Thank you, Ayla. Look what's in here. These balls. Oh, and they're make-it ones. I'm going to have to do those. Oh, gosh, I don't know that I have time today. Oh, man. I want to get those made. I'll have to bring those back up on another video. Here we have, look at this purse. Some Barbie boots, very cool. This little purse. Oh my God, that's cute. Does it open? Look at that. That is adorable. Let's see. Yep, you can put stuff in there if you have something tiny enough, like a little bitty piece of something. Look at this. Oh, that's cute. I love animal print. Oh, that's real cute for a Barbie or a Blythe with rolled up. Yeah, I love animal print. That is cute, cute, cute. Look at these. Ayla's been making books. Oh, God, many verse times. And it's got Barbie on it. This is so cute. Oh my, this is so cute. How fun is that? Oh, I love these. All right, I know. I need to keep it moving. Oh, look at this, how cute. I love gingerbread, and I love those Oh Snap t-shirts and sweaters and stuff with the arm taken off or the leg bit. Well, if my bear paws would open this, let's get this pulled out. How cute, cute, cute. Oh, I love these gingerbread men. Oh yeah, I'll be using those. That is adorkable. Love it, love it, love it. I'll put those in after. Let's get this video moving. Oh, look at this. Oh, I am encouraging Darren to finish my 3D BJD doll that is 1/3 for a challenge coming up. Oh my God, a flamingo t-shirt. I love that. Oh, I love that. Okay, she's got some clothes. Oh, here's another boot. The other one's in here, I'm sure of it. Let's look. Yep, sure enough, here it is. Oh, Ayla, thank you. Oh my God, look at these. I saw this on her channel, and I was thinking how cute that would be in a little setup with Blythe. Of course, anybody could use it for any doll, Barbie or whatever. If I can get this cut. I know I'm moving kind of slow today. You have to forgive me. Okay, there we go. Holiday party, 20 pieces. Very cool. And it looks like this will complement it too. Oh, that is cute. Oh my God, that is cute. Oh yeah, I'm going to add these right in here. This is going up in my Christmas stuff. Oh my God, that is so cute. There's a gingerbread house. Let me see if I can open this carefully. Oh, maybe. Very carefully. Huh. Maybe it's taped on all 4 sides? I didn't think so. This side's not. There we go. This side is. Okay, I see. I see. Remember the old I see said the blind man as he picked up the hammer and saw? Okay. Oh wow, this is, oh my God, look at this. Oh, that is the cutest. It's like plastic, but with, I don't know, sticker. It's more like a coating on top of it. Oh, that is adorkable. Cute, 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 cute. This is coming out next year. But in the meantime, we are going to store these right here. Oh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I would like to open these so you see what I get. And then, like I said, we've got a couple things going on, and my cameraman has got to get to work, his real job, and would not have time to edit a longer video today or tomorrow or next week. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm stupid. Here's the little pieces. When you open these with bare paws, it doesn't go as well. Oh, come on. There we go. And then they have more. And I get it because today's people are not, oh, here we go. Trustworthy. Okay, my wrist is fighting that. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are so cool. I got a turkey from Tina at Tina's Reborns that we put together. Oh, I love that turkey. And it was a whole little meal, but the turkey was just fantastic. Oh, look at this. I think this is what we got. Roses and candy and a cake. Oh my God, that's cool. Chocolate cookies and a cake. And I think that little flowers must be in here too. Yes, it is. Oh, wow, that is very cool. Let me put this back together. Okay, the second Valentine is the same, which at my house is not a problem. I have a lot of Blythe dolls and Barbies that would love to have that. This one, however, is different. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Ayla, this is so cool. Thank you so much. Easter. Oh, this is so cool. The
See,
ham.
I think you only get one of those. This is a series, and then you get one of those in the series.
But they give me directions for all of it.
Right, they just print it for everybody.
Okay, well, we'll open that up and see. Like I said, today is not a good day. And I will get these and show you on another video. Thank you, Dory, and thank you, Ayla. This was a fun gift exchange. I really appreciate it. What a fun box. Please visit Ayla Avar, and I'll have both links below, and Dory at Dory's Dollies. Thank you for visiting the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.